Have you ever wondered how to make money online, dreamed of being your own boss, setting your own hours, and pursuing your passion? It might seem like a lofty goal, but it's more attainable than you might think, especially when you have the right tools at your disposal. And one such tool is Shopify. Shopify, a comprehensive e-commerce platform, has a mission to make commerce better for everyone, and it's trusted by millions of businesses worldwide. From small startups to large enterprises, Shopify provides support, resources, and guidance for entrepreneurs looking to establish and grow their online presence. But how does one start a business with Shopify? It's a step-by-step process that begins with building a brand. Your brand is your business's identity, a reflection of what you stand for, and what customers can expect from you. It's more than just a name or a logo, it's your mission, your values, and your unique selling proposition. Next, you'll create a website. Shopify offers customizable themes, so you don't need to be a design guru to create a visually appealing online store. You can choose from a variety of themes that suit your brand, and then fine-tune every detail to your liking. Once your website is up and running, it's time to set up your online store. Shopify makes this process straightforward, allowing you to add products, create product descriptions, and set up payment methods. Whether you're selling physical products, digital downloads, or services, Shopify has you covered. But having a beautiful website and a well-stocked store isn't enough. You'll need to reach your customers, and that's where marketing comes in. Shopify provides a wide array of marketing tools, from search engine optimization to social media advertising, helping you attract visitors and convert them into customers. Managing a business can be daunting, but Shopify simplifies it with a range of business management tools. You can track orders, manage inventory, and view analytics to understand your customers better and make informed business decisions. Finally, Shopify offers a range of shipping solutions, allowing you to fulfill orders smoothly and efficiently, whether you're shipping locally or internationally. So, what's stopping you? With Shopify, starting an online business is not just possible, it's simple and straightforward. Shopify provides all the tools and support you need to get your business off the ground and start making money online. So, take that step, follow your passion, and turn your dreams into reality with Shopify.